If you're trying to automate bookkeeping without hiring help, this short tutorial will walk you through exactly how to do it. Fast, simple, and step by step. I've tested the most popular options out there, and I'll show you what actually works best. So stick around to the end because I'm also sharing an exclusive free trial link to the software I recommend, only available to viewers of my channel. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to connect your business bank accounts and credit cards to the software we'll be using. Most solid bookkeeping platforms allow for direct integration. Just sign in through your bank's login, and it'll start pulling in your transactions automatically. This alone eliminates hours of manual entry every month. Next, let's talk about categorization. Once transactions are imported, use the auto-categorization feature. This software learns from your past behavior. So if you categorize Stripe income as sales once, it'll remember that for next time. You can also set custom rules. For example, any payment to Zoom gets filed under software subscriptions. This saves you from repetitive clicks in the future. After that, we'll enable automated reconciliation. This feature matches incoming transactions with invoices or receipts. For example, if you invoice a client for $500 and they pay via PayPal, the software will match that payment with the invoice automatically. No need for manual matching. To automate further, connect it with your invoicing and expense tools, like PayPal, Stripe, or Square. That way, invoices get tracked automatically and payments are recorded in real time. You'll also want to link a receipt capturing tool. Some of these tools are built in. Just snap a photo of a receipt and the software attaches it to the right transaction. If you're doing payroll, the software we're using can integrate with popular payroll platforms. That means payroll expenses are automatically logged each month without needing to touch anything manually. Finally, use the dashboard. It shows real-time profit and loss, cash flow, and other reports without you needing to run any manual calculations. You can even schedule monthly reports to be emailed to you completely hands-off. Now here's the key takeaway. If you set this up once, you can automate 80-90% of your bookkeeping and never touch a spreadsheet again. No hiring, no stress, no guesswork. Let's quickly recap. You connected your bank accounts, set up auto-categorization and rules, turned on reconciliation, linked invoicing and expense tools, integrated payroll, and used the real-time dashboard. That's it. If you're serious about automating your bookkeeping without hiring help, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial link I've added below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, and it'll let you follow along exactly like I did here. No guesswork. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.